Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at Bunn Leisure in Selsey and we're on a Sun £9.50 holiday. I booked a bronze caravan, but we've been very lucky and we've been upgraded to a gold, so I'll give you a quick tour of that. If you want to see a more detailed look of where we're staying, I'll put a tour video in the description box below. I've often wondered how come these holidays go so quickly, but by the time you've checked in late afternoon, you've then unpacked all your things, rearranged the furniture, the first night's gone. So today we're going to pack as much in as possible. We're now going to head over to the waterfront quays, which is the main facilities on West Sands where we're staying. I've booked Jess into something called the Cove Queue. Then we're going to go swimming and check out the arcade.
That can take us anywhere in the world.
I'm your Cove Cube captain.
And I'm your Cove Cube co-captain, Nathan. Hello, Nathan. Are you ready for an adventure? Yay!
We've had a brilliant morning swimming and in the Cove Club. Now we're going to have a bite to eat at the Smokies Ocean Bar, which is next to the soft play area, and hopefully that'll keep Jess amused while we have a bite to eat. We're going over to Waterfront Quays. Jess is going to take part in the Tots Disco. Then we're going to have more games of prize bingo, grab ourselves some fish and chips, and then watch the show. And I'll put together a little medley of all the shows we've seen for you. Good morning. This site is absolutely huge and it's spread across 3 sites: West Sands, where we're staying, White Horse and Green Lawns. You can walk between the two, but it's a bit of a trek, especially for little legs. So the best option is to catch the free bus. It goes between the 3 sites throughout the day, and we're heading over to White Horse to check out their facilities, and I've booked Jess onto a drone lesson.
So if it's above your head, you don't need to touch this one anymore, okay? This one will change direction. So if it higher, so it's above your head, that's it. And now try and change direction and stop. Well done. And change direction, try and go that way. Oh, lovely. Spinning in the circle. Wow. And well done. It's good height. Now bring it towards me a little bit. Woo! Let's go. Remember to be at the top.
Down, that's it.
That's it. So bring it back down. That's it. Perfect. Now try and bring it towards me. Oh, you landed. Well done.
We've come back to the caravan. We're going to have dinner and then head over to the waterfront quays for family bingo, because that one the kids can get involved in, whereas the one over at the White Horse is a cash game, so it's adults only.
Well, have a look round.
We've definitely got some groovers tonight.
You do indeed. Let's keep this going and let me have a look round from our best
Let's see some of your
dancer.
Irish dancing, Lewis.
My dancing?
Your Irish dancing.
I'm not Irish, but
Does the Scottish have a dance as well?
they do, not quite the same. A bit of Highland dancing, perhaps.
Fun.
I would highly recommend the family bingo. Although we didn't actually win anything, it's great fun because halfway through the numbers, they start playing music and they give toys out like this to the kids. Jess got a rubber ball thing and a, I don't know, whatever that is. But she really enjoyed it and it was much more relaxed than the cash bingo. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.